Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a human heart, which is going to be very easy. For that I am drawing a vertical slant line. Guys, remember the vertical line should be slant, not straight. And I am going to draw a horizontal line and it's going to be straight. Then usually we draw a hearten, right? For that, in that hearten I am cutting off the 3/4 part and joining it to this um, below the horizontal line, as you can see in the video. Guys, for drawing a human heart, firstly you need to practice. Then more than that, keeping some points in your mind, that is the vertical line should be always slant and the horizontal line should be straight. And if you keep this in mind, you will get a perfect heart diagram as I am drawing in the video. So watch the video carefully till the end. Hope this video is useful for you and you all liked it. If so, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.